और लॉन्डो, क्या चल रहा है? ऑल गुड? कैसे हो सब लोग? सबको गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, हाय, हेलो, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। और यहाँ पे आज हम लोग निकल पड़े ऐसे ही रैंडम रूट के लिए। और वैसे मैं बाहर गया हुआ था, अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस मेरे घर की तरफ। I was in road, so I thought that let's have some chit chat and fun. Speed 400x and the Royal Enfield in the same frame, guys. Both of my favorite bikes. Great thing. As traffic बहुत ज़्यादा है, but who cares? Anyway, today for the first time I do not have like a kind of time frame that I have to reach at this time or that time. Nothing like that. So today this ride will be going to be kind of very chill one. आराम से जाएंगे बातें करते करते। तो अभी के लिए टाइम हो रहा है 9:26 AM इन द मॉर्निंग एंड धूप बड़ी सुहानी से निकली हुई है। सही मौसम है, सब कुछ सही है। बट नाउ आई एम लिटिल बिट playing around with the things, and honestly I think it's a good thing as well, because now I'm like started having fun with all these things, you know. लेकिन बढ़िया है, जो भी है सही चल रहा है, तो ऑल गुड। शेयर चैट, Moj, scale ideas to reality. Bro, this guy I think working in a share chat. You know, right? Share chat is a kind of Instagram where people are sharing morning text and everything. The only memory of the share chat for me is from my parents' phone. They're having this app, they are downloading that good morning text and everything, and they are sending to everyone all that morning quote, motivational text and everything. But I never understood the actual concept of the share chat. Honestly, अगर मैं बोलूँ तो मैंने कभी ट्राई भी नहीं किया है, so I don't know. हो सकता है बहुत बढ़िया ही प्लेटफॉर्म हो. I have never tried it. That's also kind of be the case, right? Isn't it? Like the sound design. The scrambler one, right? Scrambler model. This is good. I like especially the design of the silencer of this particular bike. You know, it's look like it's kind of gun barrel, shotgun barrel, right? The two exhaust pipe. It's single cylinder bike, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, man, and I think in this point, it's a single cylinder only. तो हमारी बाइक भी कुछ कम नहीं है, बस थोड़ी गंदी हुई है, इसको साफ करना पड़ेगा। We'll do that on this, I think, Saturday or like a Sunday. This week Saturday is also working for me, so on Sunday most probably I will do that. But Hunter, and specifically in this black color, once it's clean now, it's look very good. Honestly, like that blue color, blue rebel, I do not like that much. But this black and white color of the Hunter, plain white, that's also looking too good. But वही है, इन कलर्स का डिसएडवांटेजेस यही होता है कि ये बहुत जल्दी गंदे हो जाते हैं। I mean गंदे in the sense of like धूल, मिट्टी, and it's quite visible on them. That is the big issue with the black and white colors. But apart from that, the looks it will give, that's very good. XUV 700. The Mahindra has changed their logo quite a long back, right? But this logo is quite very good. It's earlier it was like a kind of that is also kind of in a round design and everything. But this one new logo is like a looking very good. Not round exactly. I don't know that word. That जैसे अंडे जैसे दिखता है वो, not in the like kind of. I am also confused in vertical and horizontal. I never really understood. I am always confused in between these two words, vertical and horizontal. But I think आप समझ गए होंगे मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. The real shit. When I wish I'm the only one that is just a guy. Find your way when you say सीधी हिंदी में गाली दे यही तो मुझे चाहिए तो यही है. Bro, that song by Raftar. is like very addictive. The voice modulation this guy did, playing the part of the Max and Raftar. It's kind of Max, you know, right? The Raftar's old self who used to dance in Nayar. I love that guy. And I never mentioned it in the videos and everything, but if you see my playlist and everything, you will see only the rap music in that. Only the rap. And I always listen to the rap itself. Always. And I like so many artists. Raftar, Krishna, Karmoha, Sidemot, Prodhavi, Tala Anjum, Tala Yunus, Divine, Nabil Akbar, Joke. After that, if we talk about the Pakistan hip hop, I already mentioned few names from the Pakistan hip hop like the Tala Anjum, Tala Yunus, Nabil Akbar, Alim. This guy's name is little confusing for me. Alim RK, maybe. But that guy is very talented. Alim RK का एक गाना है called Life Goes On. And that was like very popular as well on the Instagram reels that time, where he said a line that something like कि मत पूछो, I don't know, something like that. But that line was hit hard. I really like that song by Ali Mar के. हमारे नेजी भैया ने फिर से तला अंजुम को रिसेंट किसी पॉडकास्ट में उनका नाम लिया था कि that guy is in Pakistan, otherwise my friends will beat that guy and this and that. I don't want to go into their like a personal thing, but both are the talented artists. The Nazi, when there was nothing, we can't say nothing. That time also Baba Saigal was there, other artists were also there, but very few. And that time the Nazi was came with very hard hitting bars and punchlines and metaphors and flows and everything. And then Nazi suddenly like disappeared from the scene. And now he's trying to make a comeback. But you know that as per my opinion, people grew up on the culture, you know, like it it's not making sense if you are like a doing good before like a 10 years before, and if you come back with the same kind of energy or flow or everything after 10 years as well, the people still give you the same love and everything because evolve on the music, you know, that the taste and everything. As per my opinion, I am not saying anything to anyone. This is just my opinion. Nothing, and for kind of I'm not giving suggestions or anything that. But this is just my opinion. और मुझे लगता है कि उनको कुछ नया try करना चाहिए. If you see Tala Anjum's discography, Tala Anjum is also good and very like a kind of veteran in that matter. He's also been in the scene from almost last how many years? Almost uh, more than a decade. If you listen to the Tala Anjum's earlier songs, he was also there when same era of the AC and the Divine and everything. चलो Tala Anjum छोड़ दो Divine. Let's check the Divine style from starting. Divine used to rap in English, right? After that he switched into Hindi, and Divine evolved. He has kept his that unique influence in the scene, you know. But one thing I saw, that one thing I observed, the cult fan base about the Nazi, and shout out to the that Nazi fan base, Nazi fans. I'm also one of them himself. What I'm talking about, I'm also one of them. The cult fan base the Nazi have, right? That it's very lucky thing or like very fortunate thing to have for any artist. The same scene goes with the Honey Singh as well. The cult fan base is having, no matter how many years they disappear from the scene, anything like that. But the fans always remember their favorite artist. Always. I'm also kind of huge fan of Honey Singh. And as we was talking about the cult fan base, and if you see the not kind of new, but one of my favorite artists, which is the Bella, MC Bella, the winner of the Hustle Season 1. That guy is so damn talented, bro. It's so damn talented. मुझे बेला के हर एक गाना पसंद आता है. Every time he tries something new flow, new melodies, new metaphors, everything is so fresh in that guy. And he's the artist who never ever afraid of trying something new. You know, I became fan of the Bella when he dropped the Home the album. Bro, all the songs. From the first song till the last song, it was crazy. After that, he has dropped the several EPs and everything, mixtapes and everything. And in between the two EPs from the Bella side has came, right? That one where I'm not quite sure the name, but there was one song 1998, which is also my birth year as well. That one was also good. And recently he has dropped EP of the I think three songs was there, and where he has tried kind of very international, where the melody is also there, उसके साथ साथ vocals भी चल रहे हैं उनके कहीं के आई थिंक इंटरव्यूज के क्लिप है या फिर कुछ है या फिर उन्होंने रिकॉर्ड किया आई डोंट नो दैट आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन दैट वन एंड इट साउंड्स सो यूनिक एंड सो फ्रेश वेयर ही से आई डोंट नो इनको क्या चाहिए मेरा म्यूजिक मेरे फैंस के लिए है bro that guys deliver it whatever he says is delivers it bro. And Bella is a kind of most controversial artist as well as the same time. We talk about he's whenever he's like especially night time whenever is he coming live आपको समझ जाना चाहिए कि कोई ना कोई कंट्रोवर्सी होने वाली है कोई ना कोई तो पीसने वाला है earlier when I think Bella got controversy with Ikka, where he said, "Who is this guy to say me that ये कर ले तो ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा?" And after that, I think after that, or I think I don't know. In the same context, the Ikka has also came live once and said that कोई सा भी आ जाओ, कोई सा भी फन्ने खा आ जाओ, धूल चटवा देंगे, धूल चटवा देंगे. It was very very good and like I saw many memes over there and people is like my favorite artist Young Amli and the Drunk Bella both are very fire artists you know. Ikka has a reputation of very good storytelling artist on the scene there. The song Nishu was so good and recently also they have dropped I guess the EP, right, where there is one song Gojira that was also fire. And recently they has dropped the music video for the same. The music video was lit super man. यार ये बंद हो गया था ब्रो आई एम नॉट श्योर मैं क्या बात कर रहा था मतलब कितना कैप्चर हुआ आई डोंट नो बट आई वाज सेइंग दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग आई हैव स्पोक अबाउट द बेला इक्का आफ्टर दैट आई फॉरगॉट जो भी था आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट यू नो kind like I was saying that there are many international artists as well. No, there is many international artists who's like the respect for them, like the Eminem, 50 Cent, all of them. They're quite a good one. Eminem, Mockingbird, and Stan, bro. Eminem has such an influence that due to his song, I think I'm not sure if it's a true fact or not, but I heard that the Stan word was included in the dictionary as a proper word after Eminem's song came, Stan, where he was talking about his fan who was like a very big stan of him and he was writing a letter for Eminem and due to some reason letters उनके उन तक पहुंच नहीं पाए. After that he got pissed off and everything. It was such a nice concept and the female vocal artist in that song I think Dido, she was also super good in that. Please go on cold and wondering why I stalled it bro गाड़ी बंद हो गई दिक्कत नहीं है सिग्नल लेता है. The OG bikes of the scene RX100 CD100 CD Dawn. What was that guy doing? He suddenly turned left. Oof. Hundred. What happened? They're also recording something. Great. Hey, bro, what? I got scared for a moment. I thought I crashed. But no, I didn't. Saved it. Who was that? guy, but I'm now quite curious. ये वाला थकान वाला नहीं था. That is for सुकून वाला. I love to ride. Everything. Well, I'll get it one day. And I think you have seen one thing. आपने एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करी होगी that जब भी मैं ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे रुक जाता हूँ तो मेरा दिमाग चलना बंद हो जाता है. And whenever I'm riding, I was continuously speaking, but whenever I stop the signal, my mind is kind of stuck that time. This guy is watching something over the YouTube while driving. I never understood this guys, like this people's. I don't know what to say, and I think he's having the hold. I think hold or flip. I don't know. I always confuse in between them. I know that one is like hold vertically, one is kind of become like a tab, like that. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता ये लोग जब भी ड्राइव करते हैं why they are like watching something on the phone. It's not good, you know. It always get you distracted. हाँ, अगर आप गाने सुन रहे हो तो it's very distracting, you know that आपका ध्यान जो होता है रोड पे नहीं होता है पूरी तरह से. अगर आप कुछ देख रहे हो रोड से and it's quite a dangerous thing, you know that people shouldn't do it in the first place itself. There is nothing wrong when if you are listening to the songs. I'm not saying it's nothing wrong. You have to pay attention. It's not only by eyes, your ears also have to be not on the road, but you have to aware. All of your senses has to be at the place because no one knows. People think the accidents only happen because it's a driver's fault and the victim who was like whoever is the victim, that guy was driving. It's not always the case because if you are driving good, if you are doing everything is correct and everything right, but still if some other idiot comes and get crashed in you, you're going to get hurt in that case, right? Where should I park now? The guy has over there. Let's park it here as of now. Anyway, I have to go 2 o'clock. So, okay guys, this is for now. हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं, so मिलते हैं बाद में किसी और वीडियो में. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.